video series. In this video, we want to take a look at a new feature in TPC Desktop 2018, the support for CAD XReferences. I've got a sample survey opened here. It's actually our Fred Meyer store that we have here in town, and we did the boundary surveying on it, all the site survey. I'm just going to highlight this boundary here for you. And we got the drawings in from the engineering company to widen the highway, to do all the layout here. And originally when we did this, we just simply imported the DWG file. And that's what I've done here. So if I go into layers, I've got all of these layers that came in from that file, and I can ignore any layers that don't have any items on them. Okay. And basically Traverse PC recreated those drawing entities as drawing objects. But what happens if we undergo a number of changes during the construction process, and we need to show those changes in Traverse PC? Well, that's where the XRefs come in. So let's go ahead and do the same thing, but do it via XRefs here. So I'm going to tell Traverse PC that I want to open that file again. And let's go ahead and open the CAD view also. And I want to open that same file that we imported earlier, just so we can see what it looks like inside CAD. So here's the CAD file. It could come from anywhere. And we want to XRef this now in the drawing. So watch what we do. We're going to tell Traverse PC we want to insert an XRef. We go out and locate that file and choose Open. Traverse PC has now brought that in as an XRef. So if I put the cursor over this drawing, do you see how everything gets highlighted and it shows me that's an XRef? Well, of course, the great thing about XRefs then is that I can go into the original file, and let's just do something real simple. Let's go ahead and tell Traverse PC that today the change we're making is that we're adding a circle out here for something that we needed to show. Could be any kind of a change they made in it. But now we're going to go back to our Traverse PC file and simply regenerate the drawing. And Traverse PC says, okay, the file that's sitting out there on the server or the web or wherever it's at is newer than the XRef that I'm currently displaying. So I'm going to go ahead and update that. And that's all part of this XRef stuff. If you've used this inside of CAD, you're going to know that there's this automatic association to the XRef file. And then, of course, we've got lots of opportunities in Traverse PC to do the other XRef kinds of things. So I'm going to put the cursor over that XRef, come down. And for those of you who are familiar with XRefs, I can bind this, which makes it part of the drawing, and I lose that association to the XRef. I can bind it into a group, so I can reference it to the survey then. I can unload it so it's not taking up room in my drawing, and I can reload it anytime just to make sure it's proper, it's current. And then this is a real cool thing. XRef, or reference the XRef to survey. So no matter what kind of grid the CAD file is on, let's say it's on kind of a local grid and I need to be on a state plane grid, I can apply all of Traverse PC's reference tools to this XRef. So I can tell Traverse PC that I'm going to pick 2 points on my survey and pick those same 2 points in the XRef, and Traverse PC will automatically rotate, translate, and scale the CAD drawing so it fits my survey. We think that's just fantastic and a fantastic use of XRefs. So I just wanted you to see that TPC Desktop 2018 is going to support CAD XRefs and all the common tools and things you want to do with those.